Aunty Taeya, you know where I am from front of house. Kia Orana. Toko ingoa ko Mona Henderson. I started working here at the Pacific Resort in 2014. I've been with the resort 14 years. Te ngā e rekau te anganga koni te Pacific Resort. Te opopongi me arameo ki te anganga. Mataora tika i o te arawe e te o turoto no ho mai to tātou pāsireia. It's like ia rai e family mataora. Tai arame mātou e tai family. As a supervisor at the resort, I monitor or I look after, I train our new staff that comes in and show them how it is done because we like to keep our standard. Guest satisfaction is, how do I say, oranga, 100%. Best service I can possibly give. Even in the littlest, tiniest bit of, I think it's perfectly done, I go up and say, thank you, that was nice. I believe that is the way to keep them motivated with all those little acknowledgements. Every little bit that we all do together makes this a beautiful place. Teia Aunty mai kone, na Aunty mai ako no yokoto. Come and experience the aunties in the morning and the staffs in the morning. It's of course at lunchtime and dinner time.